Yep. Keep coming. Keep coming. A little bit. Keep coming. Keep coming. Stop. Put input. Give it a few revs real quick. This is stock. Okay. So right here we got the exhaust. It's honestly really good made. But you can see it's plugged in right now. Right there is if the valve opened to a straight pipe, and then right here's a fob. If I hit the off button, it'll close that valve on. It opens it up. Alright, we cut the pipe. The ride pipe ain't on, but this is just with the cutout. Give it a rev. Do it again. More. I did.
Oh shit. This sounds badass. Oh, that sounds badass.
It's not. That's just exhaust. Do another one.